To prepare the crystals of potash alum from an impure sample. The crystallization process involves preparation of solution of sample, heating of solution, filtration of solution, concentration of filtrate, checking the point of crystallization and cooling, separation and drying of crystals.
Madam, how can we prepare the crystals of potash alum from an impure sample?
Potash alum K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O is a double salt of potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate. It is highly soluble in water and separated out as octahedral crystals. Let's do an experiment to prepare the crystals of potash alum from an impure sample. Our aim here is to prepare the crystals of potash alum from an impure sample. The materials required are beaker, glass rod, funnel, china dish, burner, sand bath, filter paper, impure sample, potash alum. Procedure. Take 5 grams of potash alum and add water, 25 to 30 ml, in the beaker and stir the contents, warm and dissolve more to make saturated solution. Filter the solution and collect the filtrate. Remove the residue on the filter paper. Transfer the filtrate to china dish and concentrate by constantly heating till 3/4 of solvent is evaporated. Stir continuously to avoid boiling and crust formation along the side. Check the crystallization point. Cool the solution in china dish undisturbed. Colorless crystals of potash alum separate out. Decant off the mother liquor and dry the crystals in folds of filter paper. Observations. Shape of crystal is octahedral. Color of crystal is colorless. Weight of crystal is X gram. Result. The colorless crystals of potash alum, octahedral in shape, are obtained. Precautions. Few drops of concentrated H2SO4 are added to check the formation of clear solution. Filtrate should be evaporated up to crystallization point. Boiling should be avoided while heating. Solution should be cooled slowly.
Thank you, ma'am. We have understood the experiment very well.